Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, I will tell you how to make a better life for yourself with 4 small changes. Number 1. Change your living environment. You can make a big difference in your life by changing your environment because your environment is part of your lifestyle, mental health, and productivity. Suppose your living place is messy, so you won't feel comfortable at all. And what effect do you think such a space will have on your life? It puts a lot of stress on you and you become careless about everything. If your living environment is messy, then you will not feel good about this place and it will always make you tired. It is enough to arrange a good decoration and from now on put every device in its place. Don't try to keep things you will never need. You can write a list from most used items to unused items. Throw away or sell the most useless ones. Number 2, a choice other than convenience. Have you ever wanted to park your car in the parking and you spend a few minutes looking for the best and closest place to the door of the store? Get rid of this habit. Instead of wasting your time looking for the nearest parking space, it's better to change yourself, choose a decent spot to have more mobility and free yourself from superficial decisions and useless work. This is how you learn to face tough decisions instead of running away. Number 3. Expand your social circle. Most people have an old social circle and don't change it during their life. Therefore, they always hang out with certain people and keep away new ideas from new people. New people bring new perspective and ideas to your life. So think about this right now and make the right choice. Let the right person into your social circle. Number 4. Satisfaction in the future. There is a motto, live in the moment. This is a distractive slogan for your life that makes you ignore the future and live in the unknown moment. This slogan is a complete and correct sentence, but people abuse this sentence. Basically, the meaning of this slogan is to be grateful for what you have. Always think about what role this decision can play in my future when making a decision. What will benefit me or what will it harm me? Just think about this for 5 seconds to make the right decision for your life. For example, if you want to buy a luxury watch, and see if you are satisfied with this purchase a week later or months later or a year later. Wouldn't you say, I wish I had spent my money on something else? If you think you will regret it, then it is better not to make that purchase. This was from a video about how to live a better life with 4 habits. If you want to start a better life with me, don't forget to follow me. See you later until the next video.